interesting experiment investigates how different substances react differently with pennies, making them cleaner or dirtier. Firstly, place 3 plastic cups out in front of you and drop a penny in each of them. In the first cup, pour the fairy liquid so the penny is completely submerged. In the second cup, pour some lemon juice and salt in, once again so the penny is submerged. In cup number 3, pour the vinegar and around a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda into the cup. Leave the cups for around 3 to 4 minutes, then take your rubber and 4th penny and start to rub on both sides of the penny. Do this for around 3 to 4 minutes. After that, take some tissue and get the pennies out of all of the cups. Wipe them clean and compare which penny is the cleanest.